René Workelier, a French chemical engineer, was the first scientist to conceptualize remote viewing between 1920 and 1962, with controlled experiments in telepathic communication. SRI International, formerly known as Stanford Research Institute, an independent research organization, used Workelier's conclusions to develop the basis of the remote viewing methodology in the 1970s. In the early 70s, during the Cold War, the CIA discovered that the Soviet Union had a psychic training program and psychic military units. As a result, the CIA decided to collaborate with SRI to fund an investigation program into the human mind's capacity to gather information, referring to it as remote viewing. The methodology was developed, tested, and improved for nearly 2 decades. Due to hidden agendas and skeptics, the program was transferred between multiple US agencies, including the CIA, the DIA, and DARPA. In 1995, the research and results of some programs were declassified, and former members of the secret unit started teaching the methodology publicly around the world. Since then, remote viewing has become increasingly popular due to its broad applications in the fields of investigation, business, and innovation, which we'll see in the next section. Paul Smith, a retired major in the U.S. Army who served for 7 years in the U.S. government's remote viewing program, provides an engaging history of the nation's remote viewing program in his book, Reading the Enemy's Mind. This is the most complete book if you want to learn more about the history of remote viewing.